First, consider themed food tours. Break away from the traditional mold of focusing on a specific cuisine or neighborhood. Instead, offer tours based on unique concepts. How about a street food adventure or a farm-to-table experience? Maybe even a dessert delights tour. These themes cater to a variety of interests, providing a specialized experience that's sure to delight. Next, think about incorporating interactive cooking classes. Why not combine a food tour with a hands-on culinary lesson? Participants can learn how to whip up traditional dishes from the region they're exploring. This interactive element not only deepens their connection to the local cuisine, but also adds a dash of culture to their experience. How about offering behind-the-scenes access? Give your participants an exclusive peek into local food establishments. Visit a bustling kitchen, meet with talented chefs, or explore intriguing food production facilities. This insider's view can offer a unique insight into the food industry, enhancing the overall tour experience. Don't forget the thrill of competition. Add culinary challenges to your food tour. Think mystery ingredient cook-off or a food trivia scavenger hunt. These challenges introduce a competitive and engaging twist, making the tour more than just a mere tasting experience. Finally, in the digital age, why not consider virtual food tours? Offer participants the chance to explore different cuisines and food cultures without leaving their homes. This unique digital experience could appeal to a wider audience and give your food tour a modern twist. In summary, to make your food tour stand out, consider offering themed tours, interactive cooking classes, exclusive behind-the-scenes access, culinary challenges, and virtual food tours. By embracing these novel approaches, you're sure to create a food tour that not only stands out in the market, but also attracts a diverse range of participants. It's all about crafting a unique culinary experience that leaves a lasting impression on every food enthusiast.